Hello guys, quickly we want to look at Vlookup in Excel and what is the essence of using Vlookups and how do we use Vlookup in Excel. So quickly we are going to be looking at this table. We have seen the products, different kind of fruits, and we have seen the unit price, we've seen the unit sold and the total sales. Alright, so now for instance, if you want to look at if you want to find the total sales for grape, for instance, the total sales for grape is 483 dollars. That is total sales that we made. That is the money we realize when we sell grape in the market. So assuming we have a large data, we can be looking for that grape one after the other. So there is a formula that we can use to find the total sale of grape in a table. So now let's look at, we are going to write grape. Since it is grape we are looking for, we want to find total sales of grape. So just make it bold. We want to find total sales of grape. So now if we want to enter any formula in Excel, just start with your equal sign, then you write Vlookup, then you open the bracket. So the first thing is asking you is lookup value. So the lookup value is going to be this, then you end it with a comma. This is your lookup value, that is, this is what we are looking for. So the table array, looking at the table, the entire table, the table is from C3 to F11. to F11, you put a comma, then the column. What is the column of the total sales? 1 2 3 4. You put your 4, you put your column. So then the next thing is the range lookup, true or false. If it is true, most time the true, if you are going for true, now if you are looking for approximate value, assuming you are dealing with decimal numbers, but now we are dealing with whole numbers, so we want to find the exact value. So we can use false, or we put 0, then we close our bracket, then we press our enter. So as you can see that here the total sales for grape is 483, and so that is what we get. And so we need to format that cell. Since we are dealing with currency, we should format that cell. Then we come here, we click here, so that makes it 483 dollars. So now another thing I want to show you is that let's assume that we're now looking for grape, we're now looking for total sales for mango. It will change automatically to look at mango here to this value here. So let's assume that we are also changing, we are looking for apple. Immediately we change it, so definitely it's going to give us this. So that is how to use Vlookup in Excel. So I'm sure you guys have learned one or two things from the use of Vlookup to find a particular value in your Excel. So I'll see you some other time. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you'll be seeing more of my video. If you really enjoyed this video and you learn one or two things, like the video, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you guys some other time.